Good afternoon and welcome to BizTech's Asian Midday Market Watch. It's the 21st of November, and as we have our Tuesday guest, Tina Teng, Markets Analyst from CMC Markets, coming to us from Auckland, New Zealand. Tina, as always, great to have you on the show.
Hi, Brian. Thanks for having me again.
Now, Tina, for a start, we've had a tech rally on Wall Street. Microsoft has hit a 52-week high. Nvidia has hit an all-time high. Tell us about your read on this rally on Wall Street and how it's impacted Asia Pacific markets.
I think there is a combination of factors pushing up the markets, especially in the AI stocks. First of all, the trigger was the open AI drama during the weekend, which the Altman, the former CEO of OpenAI, was ousted by the board member. I think that's triggered the bullish momentum in Microsoft, which hit all-time high, because Microsoft CEO is going to hire Altman to be a new leader of the AI division. And the second, Nvidia is going to report earnings tomorrow. I think just a lot of optimism towards the earnings report and its revenue growth.
Now, Tina, on the subject of Nvidia has been on a tear for the past literally 2 years or so. And a lot of that is also built in, of course, of the hype around AI, but also the underlying demand. And there's a lot of analysts who say that there's also been stockpiling of Nvidia chips out of China. How much of that is priced into the stock?
China's big techs have been piling Nvidia AI chips, especially this year. However, I think there will be impact from the Biden administration's restrictions for the AI exports to China. But I think Chinese big techs purchase AI chips, which accounts about more than 20% of Nvidia's sales revenue. So I think the regulations probably will have impact on Nvidia's AI chips sales. However, I think the demand is still very high because of the AI boom, this frenzy in the AI stock and the funds flows. So we expect that Nvidia will continue to grow its AI chip sales significantly this quarter. And the stock now is hitting an all-time high, which could cause a cautious move if the result cannot meet expectations.
On a different note, Tina, I want to talk about, there's a lot of movement on currencies. The US dollar has softened, the yen and the yuan have strengthened. What's your read on these currencies moving forward?
I think from a macro point of view, the US Fed pretty much has done with its rate hiking cycle. That's why US dollar now is softening, just because markets are pricing no more rate hikes by the Fed from now on, or probably a possible rate cut from May or early next year. So US dollar softened from here, which lifted other currencies, especially Asian currencies. And overnight, there was positive news from the Chinese government, which they imposed more fresh supportive measures to aid its property industry. I think just a combination of the macro views that strengthened Asian currencies while US dollar is going down.
On that note, Tina, thank you very much for your insights. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks, Brian.
Now, we've been speaking to Tina Teng, Markets Analyst at CMC Markets. This has been BizTech's Asian Midday Market Watch. I'm Brian Fernandez. This show will be on our website, www.biztech.asia, as well as our syndication partners, TV stations, radio stations, and websites. Thanks a lot for tuning in.